not so good lighting, but this is my birthday outfit of the night. I'll have my husband take a better video. Sugar Factory for my birthday dinner tonight, and I'm so excited to try this place. I've never been before. I've heard about it online though, and the drinks look awesome, the food looks awesome, the desserts look awesome, so I'm excited to show you guys my experience.
So can you drink it down? It's bubbling. Can you sip it down a little bit for me? Yeah. That should be good.
That looks awesome. A birthday milkshake, and hopefully Britney Spears will come out and sing happy birthday to me. Are you ready to try this monster milkshake? Oh my goodness. He had a large cocktail. Ooh, that's delicious. This is a dulce de leche insane milkshake. I didn't realize that these two over here were straws as well, and I just tried to eat it. Where does this boy get his sweet tooth from? Here is my pre-birthday dinner outfit for tonight, and of course it got wrinkled, but here it is. Hi guys, happy birthday morning to me. Woo! I was born 30 years ago today at 2:12 in the morning, and today is our last day in the city. We are going down to the zoo and hopefully checking out a couple more museums, but I will be bringing you guys along to join us for the fun. Alright, we are waiting in line at the National Archives Museum, going to check out the Declaration of Independence, Bill of Rights, and the Constitution. Unfortunately, there is no filming or pictures allowed inside, so it'll just be for us to see, but we'll bring you along at the next museum. Alrighty, we just finished at the National Museum of Archives. I saw the Declaration of Independence, the Constitution, and the Bill of Rights. It was an awesome experience to see in person. I got to see John Adams' signature as well as Thomas Jefferson, Now we are going to check out the Ford's Theater, and that is the place where Lincoln was assassinated. So we're going to take a tour there. And yeah, here we go. We finished touring the museums and now we are going to the zoo, and we stopped by this little French pastry spot. Not quite sure how you pronounce that. Bon Pain. But I have strawberry lemonade and a chocolate croissant, so I'm going to chow down on that before going to the zoo. And we're just having a lot of fun today. I just have to come back on here and say this is the best dang chocolate croissant that I have ever tasted. It is so good. Oh my goodness. We made it to the zoo. Our son is super excited. We're going to see some farm animals now. And yep, it definitely smells like a barn out here. There's a cow.
What noise is it?
A donkey.
Yes, right. It's a donkey.
Good job.
All right, let's look.
Oh my goodness, Eli, what is this?
It's a study in a library.
That's right. It's a cow.
Good job, handsome. I love goats. They're so cute. I would totally have a pet goat if it was possible. We are on our way to see the seals. Little man is so excited. He loves the animals and coming to the zoo.
You see him? Yes, you're not looking.
It's you.
You see the seals? Do you see the bear? Do you see the bear though? Say hi, bear. Ducky. Hi, cutie. We have some fish.
Yeah, fish. See the stingray? It's right down there.
Oh my goodness, that's a huge stingray.
Okay, you ready? Let's go see more.
Oh my goodness.
Look at the big fish.
This zoo is so cool. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Whoa.
See? Fish in there too.
That's actually a fish.
Oh my gosh, Lord Voldemort fish.
Lord Voldemort fish. That's my
How
husband.
is it called?
I have to say, this is probably one of the coolest zoos that I have visited. And we've only been here for like 20 minutes so far, so it's pretty cool. It literally looks like we are in a rainforest right now. This little paws.
Like a cat.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, baby. I was like, go away, I'm sleeping.
Yeah.
We have some porcupine over there.
Wasn't there? I'm like, that'd be like the composition of like that.
I know. Absolutely. Uh-huh.
Look at the skunk.
What is that? Is that a skunk? Just came out of seeing the apes back there. Super cute. Feeling super touristy right now with my camera, my little backpack. And now we are heading to see some lions and tigers and bears. Oh my! Are you excited to ride the merry-go-round? Which animal are you gonna ride? Woo! I'm sad to say that our DC trip has come to an end. We've had so much fun out here for the past almost 3 days. It was a lot of fun and so cool just being in like a city with so much history around us. It's been an awesome experience, right, babe?
An awesome experience.
Totally awesome. We're heading back home now. There's some traffic right now, so we are stopping at Subway to get something to eat, and hopefully the traffic will go by fast. But yeah, let's go eat.
Hey guys! Welcome back to my video. Just want to let you guys know it's my wife's birthday. Follow Trendy Talia on YouTube. She is an amazing woman. She's amazing. She's a great mother, great wife, great mother to her 3 stepchildren, my children, and we had an amazing trip. Stay tuned for all the other things that I'm going to be doing for her birthday, which will have to be probably videos posted. Okay, bye.
Wait, there's more? There's more. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mom.